Welcome guys to my first ever video on just sneakers. So today we'll be unboxing the Jordan 4 Golf Military Blue in the 2021 year. I've got it for a retail price of £180, which is $200 if you are in the US. So I have two camera angles, one here and one here, as you can see. So yeah, I got them from BSTN, which is a German store, I believe, or they were shipped from Germany anyway. So it's just a little price thing, 20% VAT, all of that. So £30 and then £150 for the shoes. It's £180 in total, or $200. So that's that. Let's get the shoes. They are a UK 8 Jordan 4 Golf, obviously, in the golden and black Jumpman box. As you can see, it's got a nice layout there. It's pretty cool. And then we have the 23. I'll show it this camera. We have the 23 design on the paper. Let's get some nice lighting first. Alright, that looks decent. Not too bad. Anyway, we've got the 23 lighting, and then I'll show this camera. As you unbox it, the Jordan 4 Golf Military Blue. First ever pair of shoes, or sneakers should I say. Luckily I've got a nice clean desk, I'll just do that for now. Treat it with care. Alright, so Jordan 4 Military Blue, size 8 UK. I'm not a size 8, I'm like a size 9.5, so I cannot wear these. But I wouldn't mind, because I do play a bit of golf, if you guys know me. And yeah, I was to say, if you were to wear this and you don't like golf as like a normal shoe, you definitely couldn't. But if you wanted to remove the spikes or the grooves or whatever they're called, I'm not really sure, on the bottom of the shoe, it'd still be uncomfortable because of the plastic sole, which is a golf sole. I'm pretty sure you can what's it called? I'm pretty sure you can replace it with a normal rubber sole, and then it would be just as good as a normal military blue. But then you might as well just buy a normal military blue. But yeah, these are, it comes with a little bit of creases they did, never worn. These are dead stock. So as you can see there, it's a bit annoying, the creases, but yeah. So Jordan 4, as you can see, in there it says Air Jordan, and it's got the Jumpman logo on the back instead of the Nike Air. I just got this little pull tab, which is it's pretty nice. The quality, I must say, is it's good. The white though on the laces is very, it looks more grey than actual white. It's it looks very used. And then I would say this is a nice wolf grey right here with these lace shoe tabs, I think they're called, something like that. And as you can see in there, Jordan 4 Golf. So that's the first shoe, and they obviously have the grooves on the bottom. You got the Jumpman there, that way is the right way. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spikes. Yeah, so that's the sole, and that's the shoe. So if you just put that there, and then we'll get out. Oh, there are some papers, guys. Nike Golf. So this is a little menu thing, but to be honest, no one reads these, and if you do, then subscribe. So yeah, Nike Golf. By the way, Nike, okay, you are terrible at making golf clubs and everything golf, but shoes and balls. And then your clothing's alright. Yeah. So that's that. And then we'll show you the second shoe. The second shoe, I don't know, it's the same. Oh, also, as you can see through there, you can actually see through it, I believe. Yeah, so you can see through this little air bubble there. The sole is very nice. The shoe, both of the shoes in the UK 8 and the box it came in, it says it weighs 1.3 kg. So each shoe weighs about, I would say, 500 grams. Let me go get my measuring scale, 1 second guys. So I'm pretty sure I'm the only kid who has a measuring scale in his room, but that's fine. $517. Let's try and move it along. 516. 516 grams for this shoe. And then this shoe feels a bit lighter, not gonna lie. Oh, it's 521 grams. Let's try and move it a bit. 521. 521 grams. So this shoe is a little bit heavier. But yeah, that is my first ever shoe unboxing. Nice and quick, to the point. I'll be uploading sneaker news, release info, updates, and resale prices and stuff like that. My resale predictions for these shoes are, I'm personally going to hold them for maybe 1 to 2 months, just in case. So for now, all the resellers that are going to resell these, they're just going to do their thing, you know, resell it now for maybe 200, 230. I'm going to try to resell it for at least 260 to 270 for an 80 to 90 pound profit. After shipping, I just want a 50 pound profit really. And then first ever pair of shoes, sneakers that I've got, the Jordan 4s. Jordan 4s, if you don't know, is my favourite type of Jordan, and then it's probably Jordan 11s. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and goodbye. One last thing, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, and also these sold out in 5 seconds. So if you want to buy these, DM my Instagram right here. Thanks guys, bye.